Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So first you have to like my video and subscribe this channel. So you have to go to your profile, then you have to go on 3 line on the top, and then you have to go to setting and privacy, and then you have to go to account center. Now you have to tap on personal details. And now you have to select account ownership and control. Now you have to choose second option, deactivation or deletion. And then you have to choose your Instagram profile which you want to delete or deactivate. So I will choose this one. And here you have two options. First is deactivate account and second is delete account. So if you choose deactivate account, your account will be temporarily deactivate. That means your friend or family members will not able to search your account if you temporarily deactivate it. And friends, if you want to permanently delete your account, you can choose second option. So if you want to take some short break, you can choose the first option. But if you want to permanently delete your account, you can choose second option. But I will choose first one because I have to take some break. And now you have to tap on continue, and then you have to give your password, and then you have to tap on first option, just need a break, and then tap on continue, and now you have to tap on deactivate account and your account will be temporarily deactivated. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel.